friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. In our today's video, we'll be making a garma garam snack which is mixed vegetable Aloo Bonda. These bondas have a distinct flavor and taste really different from the usual Aloo Bonda or Batata Vada. The procedure to make it is similar to the one how we make Aloo Bonda but with a different stuffing. It is this stuffing which gives these bonda a unique flavor and taste. So let's quickly see how to make it. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. These are the ingredients which we'll be using for stuffing. We have some boiled potatoes here which we need to mash it to prepare our stuffing. Then to make our aloo bondas more nutritious, I'll be adding few carrots and peas. You can either steam both these ingredients or you can chop it finely in a chopper. We'll heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Here I am using Fortune Groundnut Activ oil. It gives an authentic taste of groundnut oil with the health benefits of sunflower. This oil is high in MUFA, MUFA and PUFA, PUFA, which lowers bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. Once the oil is heated, then we'll sputter mustard seeds. We'll add cumin seeds and we'll add urad dal. We need to saute all these ingredients till dal is cooked nicely. Once the dal is cooked, we'll add ginger in it and we'll also add onions. We'll also add few curry leaves. After sauteing all these ingredients, then we'll add coriander powder, which is dhania powder, garam masala, salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Now we need to saute all the spices for a minute. Do not overcook it to maintain the flavor. After that, we'll add all our mashed and chopped vegetables to it. Here goes our mashed potatoes, peas and carrots. We'll cook our veggies with the masala. Basically, you can add any spice as per your taste and flavor. You can increase and decrease the quantity of the spice as well. We need to cook all the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes, and here I am using a potato masher to mash potatoes nicely. Do not mash it completely. That's about it. We'll switch off the flame. We'll add fresh coriander as well and just mix it nicely. Here is our stuffing ready. We'll allow it to cool it down completely. While our stuffing is getting cool, we'll heat oil in a kadai. For frying bonda, we'll use this Fortune Groundnut Activ oil only. Traditional and organic cold processing extraction is done to maintain purity of the oil. This oil is stable at high temperatures, so it is ideal for frying as well as sauteing. You can even use Fortune Activ groundnut oil for frying puris and pakoras. Once the stuffing mixture cools down completely, then we'll divide it into 9 to 10 equal portions and we'll roll it out in a small ball. Depending upon the size of the bonda you want, you can shape out your ball. So likewise, we'll make all our stuffing material balls. Our stuffing balls are ready. Next, we need to prepare batter for our aloo bonda. For this, in a bowl, we'll take 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Here goes 6 tablespoons or half a cup of rice flour, which is chawal ka atta. To this we'll add salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Now we'll gradually add water in it and we need to prepare a batter. Do not add water in one go. We need to prepare a smooth batter, but ensure that batter should not turn too thin. It should be on the slightly thicker side. If the batter turns thin, then you need to add little more gram flour or rice flour to it. Let's check if our oil is hot enough for frying. We'll just drop few drops of batter in it. We'll just reduce down the flame on medium side. Do not fry on high flame. Now we'll take a prepared stuffing ball. We'll dip it in the batter. We'll coat it nicely and then we'll gently drop it in oil. Do not disturb the balls as soon as it is dropped in the oil, else it will break. Here goes my first batch of Aloo Bonda. Continue to stir it after a few minutes and then we need to fry it until it turns nice golden brown. Move the oil like this so that we get a nice golden color. Once fried, we'll just remove the excess oil and we'll take out our bonda on a kitchen towel. Likewise, we'll continue to fry our other aloo bondas. And here are my last 2 bondas ready to fry. We have got a lovely golden brown color. And we'll take it out on a kitchen towel. Now let's quickly serve it. Our hot mixed vegetable aloo bondas are ready. We'll just garnish it with few coriander leaves. Just look at this. It has come out so nice. These bondas are incredibly delicious. Taste best when served with green chutney as well as this salad which I have prepared using radish and carrot, grated carrot. Just look at the inside. You'll really gonna love this taste. You can serve these aloo bondas with a cup of hot tea and I'm sure you're really gonna love it. So friends, do try it out. Please do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.